Jamaican children were suspended for doing For the Dick challenge in St. Catherine. So this is how I feel about For the Dick challenge. I ain't doing shit for the dick, cause I'm too busy getting rich. Secure the bag, be a boss, give that sales pitch. Don't call me a bad bitch, I ain't never gonna be that chick. And I definitely ain't going raw for the dick, because I ain't no side chick. I gotta get hitched. My man can't be afraid of commitment. He can't be a Mitch. Mask off, blinders off. I ain't doing shit for the dick. So that was my little For the Dick challenge video, whatever. It's kind of corny, whatever. I'm here for it. I'm living for it. Okay, so let's get into this video. A group of students at St. Catherine High School have been suspended following their participation in a raunchy social media challenge which encouraged participants to verbalize the extent that they will go for sexual pleasure. The challenge has provided an outlet for many to rap about their sexual desires and has been several international celebrities joining the movement, which has gone viral. The male and female students, in flexing their lyrical muscles, did not spare details as they shared that they would, among other things, will be willing to skip school to gain access to a male or female genitalia. Vice Principal of St. John's Road-based institution, Geraldine Palmer Allen, said that the video was brought to the attention of the school administrators on Monday, and the students, who are all in grade 10, were given a 5-day suspension the following day. Members of the school board are expected to meet shortly to discuss the matter. We are concerned about them. We talk to them all the time. We have Girls' Day and we have Boys' Day, and we try to teach these students in every way as to what is acceptable behavior and what Christian practice and values that we expect of them. So they were subsequently suspended. So I don't think they should be expelled. That's the first thing, because they didn't make this challenge video and they actually got suspended. So that's where it should end for me personally. They're just a child. They're influenced by social media. We live in a social media age where our children, our families are consumed on social media. So I don't expect anything from children, especially high school children. They want to be famous, or they want to get notoriety, they want to get likes, shares, and they want to do all the it thing that's in style and all of that. And whether it's negative or positive, they're going to want to do it. They're going to try to do it because they want to be accepted by their peers and they want to be accepted by the rest of the world. So for them to get expelled, I don't think that is necessary. I think they need to talk to these kids more about social media and don't be that taboo Jamaican talk that they always give to children at school. Talk to them like it's a reality, basically, and don't talk to them and tell them about, you know, abstinence makes sense and all that, because most of the time they now abstain from sex and all. So come to them on a real level and make sure that they understand where you're coming from. Make sure they understand your school value. I went to Rosie's High School, and a lot of kids did a lot of stuff when I went to school, and our school was looked at as all the girls that went there were hoes, or they'll do this or they do that, and it's up to the kids there to actually steer away from that stereotype and actually not participate in certain things and not disrespect their school. I hold my school to a very high standard. I love my school to death. Big up to Rossies, big up to all of my Russian, big up to everybody in the Hanover, Lucy area, big up on yourself. So I never did anything in my uniform that I thought would disrespect my uniform or could get me in trouble because of that very reason. And when you do stuff like that, you need to get punished. And I agree, they got suspended. They need to call their parents in so the parents can actually participate in teaching them or giving them knowledge on social media. So it starts at home. They need to start this internet thing or social media thing at home. Their parents need to also be involved in the teaching. Monitor your child on social media. And honestly, this 40D challenge is not for children at all. I don't condone it. I don't think it's right. And a lot of Jamaican celebrity spies, Lisa Hype, enough people has done 40D challenge. So it's up to people in high places to know what they're doing and what they're putting out in the atmosphere also, because kids look up to them and kids want to be like them. So that's something else to take into consideration. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you think it was good that they got suspended. Tell me if you think they're going to get expelled and if they should get expelled. And tell me what you think about 40D challenge or 40P challenge in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.